Hey, I'm Vera, and in this video I wanted to share a story of a client of mine who managed to create a meditation practice that really worked for him in just a couple of minutes a day. So you see, we're so often told that we should be meditating and that, 20, 30 minutes or even more are ideal. And what happens is that we then often try to aim for that, don't manage to maintain it, and then fall off the bandwagon. And that's exactly what happened to my client. So the meditation practice was very on and off. And at some point, he switched to doing these really short ones, 2-3 minutes in the morning, maybe 5 minutes. And he reported that it made such a huge difference and that he could tell the mornings he did it and the mornings he didn't do it because of how differently he showed up. And I loved hearing that story, and I loved that he was able to find a meditation practice that really worked for him and that worked for his schedule. And I thought that this is something that so many people could use. So what I've done is I've created a free meditation. I'm calling it a mini meditation because it's so short. It's just 5 minutes, and you can fit it in your day whenever you want to. You can listen as often as you want to. And it's really going to help you focus and be sort of like, in a calmer state of mind during the day. And all you have to do to get that is go to workyourlifecoach.com/meditation and, just sign up and I'll send you that meditation. You can download it to your device, listen to it whenever you want to. And yeah, I really hope this is helpful for you. I'll also put the link underneath, so just workyourlifecoach.com/meditation, and I hope you really enjoy it.